Artificial intelligence is opening up endless income opportunities. You don't need to be a tech expert to make money with AI. With free and low-cost tools available online, anyone can turn AI into a cash machine. Here are practical ways to get started and earn real money from AI in 2025. Use tools like ChatGPT, WriteSonic, or Copy. AI to generate blog posts, product descriptions, social media content, or YouTube scripts. Offer services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Create clear gig descriptions. Use AI to produce content quickly and charge clients based on word count or project scope. Over-deliver and get repeat clients. Start a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Generate ideas and scripts with ChatGPT Convert Scripts to voice using 11 Labs or PlayHT. Edit video clips using CapCut or Pictory. Add visuals and B-rolls. Use Canva or Leonardo.ai to create eye-catching thumbnails. Focus on one niche, upload consistently, and optimize your titles and descriptions. You earn from AdSense, affiliate links, and sponsors. Approach small businesses in your area or on LinkedIn. Offer AI solutions like chatbots, automated email marketing, and content generation. Use tools like Jasper, ManyChat, and Tidio. Create packages such as weekly blog posts, automated DMs, and chatbot scripts. Charge $100 to $1,000 a month depending on deliverables. Provide results and scale to multiple clients. Use Leonardo or Midjourney to generate original artwork or graphic designs. Upload them to Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and posters. Optimize titles and tags with ChatGPT. Focus on trending topics like pets, memes, or motivational quotes. Promote on Pinterest, TikTok, or Instagram using AI-generated captions. Earn passive income from each sale. Join affiliate programs from AI platforms like WriteSonic, Durable.co, or Copy.ai. Use AI to generate short-form videos or blog content explaining how the tool works. Add affiliate links in your bio, description, or comment section. Use ChatGPT to write product comparisons or benefit lists. Tools often pay 30-50% recurring commissions monthly. Offer services like resume writing, ad copywriting, and social media posts on freelancing platforms. Use AI to cut work time drastically. Offer multiple packages, basic AI-generated content, edited premium versions, or bulk monthly content. Take on more clients and raise your prices as demand grows. AI boosts productivity, which increases your earning potential. Use no-code tools like Bubble.io or Glide to create simple AI-powered apps. Ideas include email subject line generators, tweet generators, or niche content planners. Use ChatGPT to write the core content logic and Zapier to automate workflows. Monetize through subscription models, paid templates, or one-time purchases. Promote your tool using AI-generated content on social platforms. Use AI to help write and format a full ebook or video course on a specific topic. Choose a niche like AI for small business owners or make money with ChatGPT. Sell on Gumroad, Payhip, or Teachable. Use ChatGPT to write scripts, Pictory to make videos, and Canva to design thumbnails or ebook covers. Promote on TikTok, YouTube, and Twitter. Offer AI-powered social media management to influencers or businesses. Use tools like Buffer, Notion AI, and ChatGPT to create content calendars, captions, and post ideas. Charge a monthly retainer. Automate daily posts and engagement. Use analytics tools to prove growth and client ROI. Upsell strategy consulting or advertising management. The best part about making money with AI is that it's scalable, fast, and low cost to start. Pick one method, stay consistent, and reinvest into better tools or systems. AI won't replace you, but someone using AI might. To go deeper and learn how to actually set this up step by step, watch the full video now on YouTube. And if you found value in this, share it with someone else who needs to start making money online.